Friends, welcome to the channel Physics by IITians. To understand physics, we should observe nature. And here we are getting beautiful optics here. Look here. This is the ray is coming from sun ray and this ray is coming from window. Because when I am placing my hand, the pattern is gone. And when I just away, my hands are away and rays are passing, then we are getting this pattern. Surely this pattern is arising from the marble crystal, which is the besides the window. So you have to answer that why this type of pattern is arising, why we are getting this pattern. Hopefully you answer. Thank you.